here we go. We are in Clarksville, Virginia, and we just had a little coffee at the Brightwater Bar and Grill, and we are about to head to the Bugs Island. There's a dam and a little place that we can pull over there, so we're gonna head that way now. I'm just testing out all the equipment and the electronics on this BMW R1250 GSA, and yep, let's get going. All right, pop it into gear. So let's see, we have to make a right here on Virginia Avenue. So we'll stop for the stop sign. Let this car go. And off we go. Okay, so this is let's see, I got close to 1,000 miles on this this bike. The R1250 GSA. So far my opinions on this bike is yeah, I'm really liking it. Comparing it to my 2018 Honda Goldwing, there's a lot of different riding characteristics of this bike, but what I can say is that it is definitely lighter than the Goldwing, obviously. The power delivery and the drivetrain, it handles much different. The Goldwing's more refined, I would say, more comfortable, and this bike is more, let's see, it has more torque delivery than the Goldwing for sure. There's more power on this bike than the Goldwing. So again, two very different type of motorcycles. This motorcycle, obviously, it's a adventure touring motorcycle, where the Goldwing, the 2018 Goldwing, is a sport touring motorcycle. Okay, so we're gonna go straight. Let's look. We'll wait for this car to go, and we're gonna go straight across when we are clear. And there you go, clear now. Let's do it. Okay, so some of the things about this GSA is that there's so many controls on it, different riding modes, different suspension preload modes, which I'm learning all about, and then just different type of suspension modes altogether. So, you know, just getting used to the bike. Okay, I'm gonna look in my mirror, signal to get over to the right, look, and then go. Perfect. So some of the other things about this motorcycle that I'm liking is you know, it sits tall, and I'm liking the fact that I can take this off-road. And again, one of the main reasons why I purchased this bike is to do some off-pavement riding, whether that's gravel roads or forest roads or trails. That's one of the main purposes why I bought this bike. Unfortunately, this bike came with Bridgestone, what are they called, Trail Max tires. So I would say they're like an 80-20 type tire. They're really designed for paved roads, as opposed to off-roading. So eventually I might have to change those tires out, but just wanted to point that out and call that out. All right. Okay, so we're riding through Boydington, Virginia. There we go. Boydton. I think that's how we pronounce it. Anyway, let's see. GPS is saying make a left. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna make a right. All right. Let's see. We'll take a little route over here. All right. So this BMW GSA. Some of the things to really point out is this TFT screen. You can see here I have it on basically it's a setting called My Vehicle, and it shows us all of the statistics of the bike in the sense of tire pressure and voltage on the battery and fuel capacity. Right? You can see that. It shows us engine temperature, oil pressure, all that good stuff. So I like that. All right, so this is just a little backcountry road in Virginia, and we're gonna go through to get to where we got to go. All right, 707. That's the route or the road number. So the bike is set up right now in road mode. You can see that being displayed. Suspension setup is dynamic, so it will self-adjust. And yeah, let's have some fun with this bike. So riding mode dynamic is more like sport mode if you're coming from a 2018 plus Honda Goldwing. Road mode, which we're in now, is like touring mode if you're coming off of a 2018 Honda Goldwing. And that's where we are right now in road mode. You can see it displayed right there on the TFT screen. Some of the things to kind of point out, I really like the way this this cockpit is set up, kind of how I set this up. I got my SW Motec day bag right here. I'm also running the Garmin Zumo XT. I have my RAM mount for my phone, and I just rigged up this gadget for my GoPro session. This windscreen is a Puig touring windscreen with tint, and then I also bought a Puig kind of windscreen extender. So the wind flow, the airflow is going way above my head. Look at this. Basically, I love these backcountry roads. It's very peaceful and calm and relaxing. So I'm running the Bridgestone, I think it's called Trail Max tires. So they're pretty much a pavement type tire. When I say pavement, I mean obviously blacktop or paved roads versus a off-road tire. But you know, you could take this off-roading and possibly some hard packed dirt and hard packed gravel. So I'm in fourth gear. let's show you what the RPMs are. So if I press on this menu button, let's see, you can see there, road mode and auto. Auto is the, I believe that auto was the suspension preload. All right, and let's see if I go up, and I go up one more. There we go. Yeah, well, I'm interested in checking out the RPMs and seeing how this bike handles. I'm in third gear, which is, you know, which is the power gear, just like most motorcycles, right? This bike revs out at 9,000 RPMs, which is pretty cool, you know. And it's the boxer engine, right? So it's an opposing it's an opposing cylinders, position, you know, lower to the ground on the bike. So it's a good center of gravity. This is, I think, Phyllis Road, it's called Phyllis Road. Let's rev this thing out. Wow, after 5,000 RPMs, I mean, it keeps pulling. The torque on this bike, this engine and this drivetrain, they really did a good job putting it together. 65 in third gear, but we were around 6,000 RPMs. Amazing. Fourth gear. I mean, this thing just pulls. Fourth gear. Wow. Amazing. Drop it back in third gear for this road. We're going to make a left here. Okay, so look both ways, everything looks clear. First gear, second gear, just revving it out. Third gear. That's what we like. This engine seems happy around 5,000–6,000 RPMs. All right, so back on the road, and we'll make the left here. Perfect. Now we'll just ride over the dam. See here, we'll make a left. We'll stay on 4. No cars on the right. All right. Well, 49 degrees out, so it's not bad, you know, if you're dressed properly for this weather. Figure when you're riding with wind chill, so that might be like 35 degrees with the wind chill factor. So, but not bad, you know, especially if you dress properly. You can handle the wind, you're blocking the wind. I'm not wearing any heated gear today, so look at that, that's beautiful. Alright, let's see, fourth gear, like 4,500 RPMs, we're doing 60. Let's see, fourth gear. Yeah, this bike's fast. Alright, let's back off. Yep, no doubt. That was, I mean, it keeps pulling. This engine and the way this transmission is set up, this thing keeps pulling. See, look at that. Helmets are required. So this Zumo, I think it's made, it focuses on motorcyclists because, I mean, it's assuming that you're riding a motorcycle. It's telling you helmets are required. So this Garmin Zumo is a pretty cool navigation device. It does so much stuff. Maybe I'll make a little video on the Zumo itself. I know there's tons already out there on YouTube. That's where I learned from. But it's very interesting on how we use it. Drop this into fourth gear.